Welcome back to another patio garden update. Let's start off with the collard greens that I still haven't planted. These collard greens are hanging on. I still have to get them in a pot or something. My squash is doing pretty good, still alive. I'm still curious to see if it's going to flower and produce squash. This is a small pot and I have two plants in there. Look at the marigold, y'all, that was in the pot with the lavender and rosemary. I can't believe how big it has grown and it's about to flower. Lavender flowers in the back. They smell really good, and the rosemary too. This pot is doing really good. They like each other's company. Moving on, the dill and basil still look good. I'm waiting until the basil get a little bit more bushier before I start pulling leaves. Marigold and some more flowers. Dill. And I have some strawberries that are forming. This one not gonna make it. Let's check out the other strawberry plant. Oh, we got a couple on here, a few on here. Let's see, 3 or 4 of them. Okay. Parsley. I need to add some more soil to the parsley. My Greek oregano is still hanging on in there. This is bee balm. No, this is bee balm. I don't know what the other one is. I can't remember. Marigold. And let's move along. This is my green bean. I have a few green beans that I need to pick off this vine. I have to definitely get to that. And this is I don't know if I showed y'all this. This is my cabbage that I got from my kitchen scrap. I know it's probably not going to become a big cabbage, but I just want to see what it does. This too is from kitchen scraps. My lettuce. This is Swiss chard. And my little white cucumber is still growing. Slowly but surely. Sweet peppers are starting to form little bulbs for the flower. So that's exciting. Now the other two doesn't look too good. I don't know if it's gonna make it or not, but we're gonna hang on to them. The same with this tomato plant. It's not looking too good, but I still have a few. So we're gonna stick by it till we can't anymore. Actually, it has more tomatoes than I thought. There's some at the bottom that y'all don't see. This is the jalapeno plant. Has a few. Y'all seen me harvest a few of them the other day. Still some on the plant, and we have some flowers. This is my other tomato plant, and it has formed little flowers on there. Y'all, my cucumber plant is looking sad. It's looking really sad. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but we're gonna see what the end is gonna be. It has a few cucumbers forming, and y'all see the flowers still on there. Hopefully y'all see it in the next update. Moving right along, this is my other bell pepper plant. It's actually a purple bell pepper. It's about to start flowering. And look at the soil. Look at all these mushrooms popping up in the soil. That is a good indication that you have some good soil. This is my other pepper about to start flowering. And chives are getting pretty bushy and big. My little Swiss chard is doing pretty good in this pot. When I say pretty good, I mean still alive. It's looking pretty healthy though. This is my watermelon. I think I'm going to sit my watermelon down there in the yard when it starts to run. My Greek oregano, still alive. My thyme is loving her pot. She's thriving and doing good. Oh, and my oregano, my Italian oregano, is showing out. She loves it here. She ain't going back. Tomato plant, still alive in the pot. She hasn't grown that much, but like I said, it has not been that hot. The weather is being a little cool, so peppermint plant looking a little sad, but I think I'm gonna change this pot. And I haven't showed y'all the passion fruit vine in a while. Look how big she has grown. I am really proud of her. She is doing good. I hope I get some flowers this year. Oh my gosh, that'll be so great. I'm trying to train her to go up this pole, but she's like getting so big that she keeps falling down. So I'm trying to like wrap her around this pole. She's gonna get there though. And let me just tell you, the plants are so smart. The little skinny legs that grow from vines that reach out and grab things. You know, if you touch something like a fence or a pole that you're trying to train your plants to grow on, it will remember it and start reaching out to that plant if it's not long enough. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. But anyways, that's it for the patio garden tour. I'll talk to y'all next time.